There's been a creepy person sitting in the corner of my room. I don't know what they're doing, but it looks like a cat. And it's not my cat, 'cause I don't own one. This isn't even my house. What am I gonna do? I should call my mom. Oh my god, I'm gonna hide. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay, Molly, just calm down. Oh, there's Eeyore. I hope he's okay. I should have brought him in here. Oh my god, oh my god. Shh, shh. Oh my god, Eeyore! Oh my god! Eeyore!
Help me. Help me.
Eeyore, I'll be there. Just wait till you're done being eaten and I'll save you. Oh my goodness. What's happening?